Let's see the quick demo of build a Unity game using Claude Code, which is completely free. So here I just built this game, initial level game. So let me try to run this. It is an endless game without writing any code, using complete Claude Code, which is no cost. Okay, so that we will try to implement here. So here we can see once you run my application, yeah, it is running, and see character is moving automatically. It is endless. And also if I just move here and there, it's just moving here and there. And also if you see here, so automatically, this is road, right? So whatever road actually cross that particular place, so it is automatically generate a new road, and it's just cloning. So yeah, it is, everything is automatically is done using this Claude Code. So that I'll show you. So yeah, let's moving to start implementation. So before we start implementation, I especially recommend, if you first time visit my channel, go to my channel, and here that recommendation, like there is, I just set up actually how we can set up on our Claude Code with free model, which is min max m2.5, and others also have. But yeah, this is a powerful model. And apart from that also, if you want to learn many other things for related to cloud, so you can check out this cloud session over there. And if you want to learn AI integration in any application, and then also if you want to build a game development, mobile development, or another full stack development, so you can learn many things in this channel. So yeah, let's moving to start implementation. So yeah, let me open browser and go to in particular GitHub link, which is called this Unity MCP. Actually this Unity MCP, we will integrate our Unity, and that we will help to create your application or a game using Claude Code. Okay, so yeah, what would be the recommend prerequisition for that? That is a very important. So nothing special, just we required whatever the Unity latest version, LTS version, just use that. Second thing, also Python and UV. So yeah, you can just install. These are that common things. And third things, actually we use a client, MCP client, using those client provider, like either you have a client, a Cloud Desktop, Cloud Code, Cursor, and VS Code and all. So yeah, currently we will trying to use this Cloud Code, which is I prefer, because it is just completely free, but later on we'll try to other things also. And yeah, so I think that pretty much good. So yeah, I already have installed or everything. So once you're done, so then moving to create a new application in this Unity. So yeah, I'll just create a new application from here, new project. And also I'm just using this LTS version and make it that something. So I'll just make this name project, Cloud Code Demo, and yeah, particular location, and create this project. So here that application got created, just simple application, nothing special, just whatever the default Unity template provide, that main camera and direction light and global volume and all. So yeah, we will just try to build that application and from that Cloud Code without writing any code. Okay, so here, so what I need to do first actually we add this package, and here that actually main that important part. So as you can see, they just providing two URL of this package, right? So one is that without, it is the main part, and other one is a beta. So what that mean? That means over here, like if you are using Unity with this beta package, a beta version, so you have to use this one. And if you use that LTS version, so you have to use that. So yeah, currently I'm using LTS version, so I'll just simply copy that, go back to over here, and go to that package manager. So window, package manager, and go to that package manager, and go to here, that URL section, package from that URL section, and simply hit enter, add enter. And once you're done, now see that install in new package. So yeah, it will take few minutes to install that package. Once you're done, you're able to see this is coming from actually under that CoPlay organization, and it is provide that MCP Unity. Okay, so once you're done, now we have to just over here, I can see this is done. right? So nothing you have to do special over here, that is done, and simply I can just close this. So once you close, now I have to go to the window, and you are able to see that new option is available here. So here you can see, I think my zoom is not working in this section. Yeah, okay, leave it that. So yeah, you are able to see, this is that section. MCP is available, MCP for Unity available. So yeah, first of all, actually I'll just go with this local setup window and go to here to ensure my everything is set up is properly or not. So see, this one actually it's tell, okay, so whatever actually the prerequisition, right, so that is properly or not. So yeah, this Python is up to date, that is fine, or UB package also is there. So if it is done, then we are good to go. Okay, so what I can do, so we can simply done. Now again go back and open it, this toggle MCP window. Okay, so now you will see this is that section where you have to configure. Okay, so first section actually transport. So yeah, as you can see, if you have this, by default it set something else, so you can have to select the studio. Okay, and you have to just start that session. Okay, so first thing actually we have to done this thing. Second thing actually we have to do, see, is already register. I think previously we have done, that's why. So yeah, simply once you unregister, let me just unregister first. So it should be like this way if you first time. So yeah, like it should be configuration button and also install skill. Okay, so what I can do, we can simply click on that. First actually we have to select whatever you want, like as like open code, open clay, and whatever that client do you have. Okay, so we'll just right now use that Claude Code because which is completely free right now. So I'll use this and I can simply configure. So once you configured, if everything is good, so it should be show that green tick. Okay, now see, it's configured and it's green tick, right? And if you see, okay, there is some issue and all, right? So you have to go to this manual section, and then this particular section actually you have to do whatever they are just provide that instruction. Okay, so yeah, simply copy and paste to your terminal and all. But yeah, right now it is working fine for me, so I don't need to do anything over there. And second things also you have to do, install skills. So yeah, that is a very powerful things. So yeah, you have to also install this. So okay, that once you're done, now you can just close that. Okay, now your Unity is ready to use Claude Code to build the game. Okay, so now open your project location. So now I have to go with this project location. So this is my project location and go inside this project. So what I'll do, I'll for that cloud, right? So definitely that is also a prerequisition part for cloud installation and all. So once your cloud is done, so open any terminal over here, and now I just open the terminal over here, and in this current project folder, so what I'll type it over here is cloud. Okay, and yeah, if you do first time, definitely you can just use the model as well, like whatever model you use. So as like we just use that min max and all, right? So you can just set up is that, but yeah, I already done, so I don't need to do. Simple, I can set that cloud and hit enter. So once you hit enter, now see, I can see my current model is this, which is free model. And yeah, also we can check status, like using that status. So yeah, it's properly is connected, also MCP server is connected and all, that is perfectly fine. Then go back, and also I'll check that which model is properly over here. If something model is this proper model is there, that is fine. If it is not there, so you can just simply change to model as well over here, like using this model, and then specify your model name. That's it. Okay, so these are that cloud prospective features. So let's continue to implement that. So yeah, what I'll do, simply let me just side by side so that we can show you how actually it is working. So now let me ask, okay, so so yeah, I'll just asking, okay, is Unity MCP server is connected? So let me check, like, is it connected or not for this particular Unity service? So based on this, actually it will just ask or give that response. So well, I can see they just try to some get that list and all, and also ensure over here. So yes, Unity MCP server is connected, active now, for MCP resource available on this, these are things is available. And also they are asking to the server is ready for Unity project, you can start creating and modify game object and all. Okay, so now we are good with that. Okay, and also we can see this MCP Unity server actually is up and running as well. Okay, so yeah, that pretty much good for setup. So now we are good to go, good to go to create our things over here. So first of all, I'll just simply create over here, create so yeah, I can just simply ask, okay, uh create a road for my Unity game, which should be have road texture along with their side, white paint as like road. So yeah, I'll just prompt like as like what I want. So simply hit enter and see what, how actually they just create this road over here. And then we'll just next we'll try to create a other stuff as well, like scene, scene or their player and all. So yeah, we will do little bit over here, but yeah, in upcoming session definitely we'll try complete game over there. Okay, so yeah, also you see if they are trying to use your project access, so also they will asking sometime. Okay, so yeah, if you want to project access this particular location, so yeah, you can simply use this yes. And yeah, also they just provide based on this our requirement, they will find that tools, and they will just create those things accordingly. So yeah, it is very nice. So yeah, let's wait to complete. So here I can see they just starting, see they create automatically that road scenes and all, like that particular roads, and also just create that and all. Now they will try to change to texture and all. So yeah, that actually how actually it's working. So yeah, this is the very painful part actually for that Unity game, build that Unity game or any game. Actually there's a lots of configuration, and also that actually taken care, also this Cloud Code and this Unity MCP server. So yeah, that's why actually we will trying to build this game using here, so that we can build the game easily without pain and anything. So yeah, let's wait to complete then. So yeah, I can see they just create a texture with road. Yeah, this is perfect, nice, right? So yeah, this is without effort and all, they just create. So yeah, let me just complete this game like along with their that player which is can moving over here and all. So yeah, let me ask to that. And yeah, so I think this is pretty much good for this session, right? So yeah, let me just quickly recap that. So finally I can see over here my game is built properly, right? And yeah, there is a many things actually they just generated along with their script and all. So yeah, I can see those are script also just created, or simply I can just try to run this. Now see how it look like. Perfect. Now see, that is actually they just try to create a game along with endless road, and also they just create the road segment once they reach to that particular section. So yeah, I think that pretty much good for this session. But yeah, in upcoming session definitely we will try to build realistic game, like shooter game or fighting game or enemy games and all. So yeah, that we will try to do using this free cloud. And also this is a very powerful actually as of now. So I just tried many things over here, complete day, last 2 3 days actually I'm completely using this free cloud model. So it is also is there is a no limitation, exceed limitation. So yeah, that is good things right now. So that's why actually I just build this complete game. But yeah, I think that pretty much good. Thank you, have a nice day, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share.